If you want to make YouTube thumbnail within 5 minutes, easy and stunning, I will show you in this video step by step. Stay tuned, it will be very helpful. So because many don't have Photoshop, so we will make it online within minutes. We will go to canva.com. If you don't have account, sign in using Google or Facebook. So first of all, you have to go to thumbnail form design. After this, stay tuned because I will give you best tips. So we select photo because these days thumbnails with human photo works best. So we will resize it. So this is step 1. So then we will add a background color, and black will look great for our theme. And then we will select another photo. Because these days successful means a lot of money, so we will pick a dollar photo, resize it, and we'll send it to back. And then we will go to effects. And guys, you can buy a premium subscription. Then you can remove background from it. So we'll use PIA filter because it looks good. Guys, I will also give you a tip about fonts. That is, if you want a lot of clicks through your thumbnails, I will suggest you look around your fonts, because fonts play a major role. So look at mine till end how I will do it. Guys, I will recommend you if you can buy canva.com pro subscription, because then you can create and sell many design services and make good profit sideline. So I will create small 5 small habits text in chunks. So why I'm creating it in chunks, so we can resize it and give other color to it. So 5 small habits successful for people always have. Guys, always remember, don't over text your thumbnail. Be precise and focus on your main theme, and your title should be very precise and to the point, that entice people to click on it. So I use Bangers font that looks great, and white color I have given to it. So for successful, I will give it a golden color. First of all, I will resize it, and then we place it color for color. I will go for golden color because golden color will look great because with success. So it depends upon your theme, what theme you are making your logo. Guys, it's not appealing, we will make it look stunning. Stay tuned. So for this, you can see it's it's not much contrast. You can't easily read because of that background picture. So make sure you can read it and it speak loud your thumbnail. So for this, I will go to transparency. We will decrease transparency of our background picture, so our text is easily readable and clear. So now it's good and looking great. From elements, we will select an arrowhead, and I will color it also to golden, and that's we will resize it, and we will also rotate it. Hey, please let me know in comment section if any other tutorial you want me to do, and please make this video 2k likes, and I hope I get that. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and our thumbnail is almost finished, and you can choose any of these pictures. If you have pro subscription, you can use a million of these royalty free pictures, and you can also create logos and Instagram stories and Facebook covers. So that's it, you can download it from here, and thanks for watching.